Hi, welcome to Fraser's Friday Feature. This week I want to talk about the keyless entry system on our GMC products. With a lot of our vehicles going to push button start, there's no longer a traditional key to put in the ignition or to open the door. So I've had the question asked to me, how do I get into the vehicle if the vehicle's battery's dead? So the answer is there's a hidden key inside the fob. Inside of every fob, there's a hidden key in there. So you can just take that key out and you go over to the vehicle and you pop this little panel off right here. So this exposes a traditional locking mechanism. So I just simply put the key in there and I'm able to open the door. Now the other question that was asked to me, what if my key fob is dead? What if the battery's dead in my key fob? How do I start the vehicle? Well, on all our vehicles, there's a special spot where you can set the key fob, and on this Blazer, for example, it's in the cup holder. So you set the key fob in the cup holder and you can push button start with the dead battery in the key fob. So just a couple things. Hopefully that helps folks that have run into that problem. And if you have any other questions, you can give me a call here at Edwards Garage, 403-845-3328, and we'll see you next Friday.